different definition according to the public. Actually, everyone knew that if anyone asks you that what is English, then you have to answer, well, English is an international language. Yeah, English is a global language. But what it should be, why English is called an international language and why English is a language. That's why I have defined this word according to the alphabets. Let's know first that the letter E, easy to learn. Easy to learn. How is it possible to say that the language which we are learning is quite easy? How is it possible? Because see, since birth to till now that we have been speaking Hindi, we don't face trouble to speak Hindi. But why we face trouble to speak English? But I have just made English easy to learn. E stands for easy to learn. Easy to learn. How? How is it called easy to learn? Let me tell you that, see, you all have been preparing for different examination. Clear? Just suppose you have passed a great examination after BTech and you have been placed yourself, not in India, outside of India. And you have got a job in China. Where? You have got a job in China. Then, gentlemen, everyone, they have got a dream to go outside, not to stay in India. They wanted to settle themselves, not